Self-reflection to me is how you view yourself. Self-reflection also, in a way, is like a painting. As you approach the canvas with your brush, you're merely touching the surfaces, blocking in colors and lines where they need to go. This would be the beginning of evaluating yourself, the base of your foundation, and starting to block in what's important to you. You begin to paint details and the blocks start to take form. You begin to see the paint transform. Like evaluating yourself, you need to break down who you are and start detailing what's what, good or bad. As the painting becomes more detailed and closer to finished, you see specific strokes, complementary colors. The painting becomes something specific. Similar to a painting, you reflect upon your own image and find out who you truly are and begin to make changes, hopefully for the better. This way you become who you want to be, molding you into the person you want to become. Finally, you have a finished product. By the time you are done, it looks exactly as you want, not unlike the fulfillment of becoming the person you want to be after you have reflected and made the appropriate changes. I think of myself in the second to third stage, the shaping and forming of details. I think of this because I am a student and I am continuously learning, trying to become the person I want to be and want others to see. I will always be reflecting on myself in hopes of finding ways to become a better person, both for myself and those around me.